once again, I am Eli Tutor. So today, we are going to be doing NTS 102. Yeah. So I'm going to be touching topics like trigonometry. I'll be touching sets, the set theory. I'm going to be touching this into what's it called, mapping and function, ellipse, and the likes. So today I will introduce you to some constants. That's some trigonometry identity. So starting from here, I have the first one. It says from Soka to this implies the sine theta is equals to opposite over what? Over hypotenuse. And this implies the cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And this implies the tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so suppose we have a triangle ABC. Alright, let me create a midpoint. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and I'm creating a midpoint here. Is that clear? So let this be my X, and this as well be my X. They are equal, and this can be my radius of the circle, and let this be my Y. It's so saying that this is our hypotenuse, is a fixed side constant. This is our adjacent, and this is our what? This is our opposite. Is that clear? Reason being that I am having my angle here. Let us assume that, okay, the angle that was here before changed to this side. So this one will not be adjacent any longer. So this becomes our opposite, because this is the side that is facing this angle here. So this becomes our adjacent, and this becomes our hypotenuse. Alright, so that's it. That's that for now. That's that for now. Alright, so okay, so there are some trigonometry identity I want to expose you to. Some trigonometry identity. So the first one I have cosec theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. Then I have sec theta equals to 1 over cos theta. You have to master them. Then we have another one. Tan theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta. So we have another one. That's our cos theta is equals to 1 over tan theta, or cos theta over sine theta. So this cos theta is just saying the inverse of this tan theta here. Alright. So we are going to proceed from here. So we have other constants like sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Are we together? Alright. So this is another identity. Remember I was talking about trigonometry identity. Cosec theta equals 1 over sin theta. Sec theta equals 1 over cos theta. Tan theta equals to sin theta over cos theta. and cos theta equals to 1 over tan theta, or you can simply say cos theta over sin theta, because I told you earlier before now that cos theta is the inverse of tan theta. Okay, there's another one here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then I can use this one to give me another formula. So follow me, let's go. Proof 1.0. So let me deduce this to give me another formula. So given that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let this one be our equation star 1. So divide through equation star 1 by sin square theta. So let's see what we have. That will be sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta equals to what? 1 over sin square theta. So this one take care of this one. We have 1 plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta equals to 1 over sin squared theta. So we have 1 plus cos theta over sin theta, all is carrying squared, equals to 1 over sin theta, all is carrying squared. So recall clearly that, I told you that cos theta over sin theta is the same thing as what? Is the same thing as cot theta. Why 1 over sin theta is the same thing as cosec theta. So if you recall very well that cos theta over sin theta is going to give us cot what? Cot theta. And while what? 1 over sin theta is also the same thing as cosec theta. So by the time we plug in this, let's make this one our equation star 2. So then we now have 1 plus, you can plug in all this into equation star 2. So wherever you see cos theta over sin theta, you put this, so you replace it. So we're having cot theta all carrying squared equals to what? Equals to cosec theta all still carrying squared. So that's 1 plus cot what? Cot square theta equals to what? Cosec square theta. So it's simply saying that we have proved another what? We have proved another identity constant, trigonometry identity constant. So we can still go back to this same one, you can still go back to it and still use it to make a reproof to give us another identity constant. So alright, from here let us use this to prove to get another. So the next one, proof 2.0. We are given that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. Let this one be our equation star 1 as we know. So divide through equation star 1 by cos square theta. Initially we divided through by sin theta. Now let's divide it through by cos square theta to know what it's going to give us. So we're having sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1 divided by what? Cos squared theta. Cos squared what? Cos squared theta. Right? This one is cos squared theta. Okay. So this one can take care of this. So we're having sin theta over cos theta, everything carrying squared, plus what? 1 equals to 1 over cos theta, all carrying squared. So this one can be our equation star what? Star 3. We stop at star 2. So we can still manage this place for this thing we are having here. So recall that sin theta over what? Over cos theta is equals to sin theta over cos theta is equals to tan theta. I'm referencing back tan theta. So read this that 1 over cos theta is the same thing as sec theta. Then this gives us what? It gives us that tan theta all squared plus 1 equals to sec theta or squared. Then square both sides. Expand the bracket. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So you can see we have another proof here. This is another identity. So in summary we have okay. In summary, you can analyze it out yourself because of space. No space there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So all these 7 identities, you master them because we are going to be applying it to some examples in our next videos. So master all the identity, know how we started. So this is very, very important, you know. They are the basis of trigonometry for MTS 1 or 2. Some school we call it MCH and some school call it MAT. So depending on the course code you are using for your school. I am glad I'm being able to impact on you, dear my freshers 100 level. So this might be applicable for JPEG students as well. So keep watching and stay connected to this YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe on our page. Love you all. It's Li Tutor.